Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Jamie Nicole.
What it is, your boy Brian, aka Fame 904.
And y'all, we back to y'all with another video.
So
we in the kitchen cooking, whipping up some chicken Alfredo. So, this time I'ma bake it though. I'ma bake the chicken Alfredo.
Okay.
After I mix everything together, cause we ain't never had it baked. Or whatever, we normally just make it homemade. But let me show. Look, give me the camera.
Okay. Bring the camera, let y'all get a little feel.
I ain't
of
trying
what
to
you got.
step too much away from the stove.
Let's see, man, what's going on?
So I'm just, waiting on the chicken so I can mix everything together.
What kind of seasoning you put on there, baby?
I put the black pepper and the Creole seasoning. I got everything inside of this mix of the Alfredo. So this Alfredo is seasoned, creamy, cheesy.
Okay, I see.
But I ain't want to over season it, so
Yeah, we definitely don't want to do
it's
that.
light black pepper and Creole seasoning on the chicken.
You feel me? Well, yeah, man.
But y'all gotta tell us how y'all liked that last video, that chapstick challenge. Y'all gotta tell us how y'all liked that.
Oh, man.
And thanks again for, I think we went up, 10 to 12 subscribers since the video.
Yeah, that's
So
correct.
yeah, y'all keep on.
Hey, man, y'all just keep hitting that bell, man. Y'all keep subscribing to us, man, because guess what? We got a lot more in
Thanks
store
for
to
the
come.
support. I appreciate that.
Appreciate the
Y'all
love.
the real one.
You already know. Out there, man, there's some real people out there that support us.
I appreciate y'all for real, for real. Y'all my ride or die.
Hey, but look, like I said, man, we got a lot of new material coming soon, so please don't forget to hit that bell for us. But right now, we just whipping up something in the kitchen, you know, look, what it is, chicken Alfredo, baby?
Yes.
Chicken
I
Alfredo.
love me some chicken Alfredo.
She love anything with pasta.
Well, yeah, like spaghetti, chicken Alfredo, shrimp Alfredo, shrimp scampi. Look,
Shrimp
anything
scampi,
with pasta,
all that.
I love it.
Hey, me and her in the same boat. Tell me.
So y'all, I'm gonna get back to it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all the outcome.
Uh-huh.
I have it come out. I know it's gonna taste so good.
It finna taste real good.
I should have had showed y'all the video. Well, I didn't even do a video. I should have made a video when I had did when I made the shrimp fried rice for the first time.
Oh, man.
Man, I got so many people asking me how I made that.
Oh,
Inbox
man.
me.
That shrimp.
And I should have had did a video on it, but I ain't think nothing of it.
I was telling her that y'all she need to do a video on that shrimp fried rice. Come on, man. But we got y'all next time. Believe that. We
It
got y'all
came
next
out
time.
so good. For all my people who know who's seen it on Snapchat,
Oh, yeah.
man,
Snapchat going in.
it was so good though. I didn't expect it to come out that good because it was like my first time making it, but it came out like good for real.
I fell in love first shot.
Like I probably choose the way I make it over Chinese food, like the way they make it.
I choose your black love over anything, baby.
If you ain't just saying it because you my husband, huh?
Nah, baby, for real though. You put your foot in it, man, y'all. She put her big toe in that thing, I'm trying to tell you.
Like the old people saying, baby, I put my foot in it.
She definitely did that, y'all. I
No,
swear.
ma'am, you can keep that if you put your foot in it. Don't do it.
I keep that, man. She put her toes in there, going in my mouth anyway. Stop playing with y'all, but man, I'm gonna show y'all the results of this.
So y'all, I'm back to show y'all how it look before I put it in the oven. So I already done layered it with cheese and everything, parsley flakes, black pepper and everything. So now it's gonna go in the oven for at least about maybe like 40 minutes or something. Or whatever until I see, how crispy I want it on the top. But y'all look at that.
That thing looks so good. Oh, man.
It looks so good. But yeah, I get back with y'all about another 40 minutes. So hey y'all, I am back. I'm gonna go see what the boys up to.
There you go.
This thing. Oh yeah. So finna see what they up to. Y'all always be having every light on in the room.
Look what we built.
What you did? Let me see.
I built this for Bria.
What y'all up to?
Look,
Y'all up to?
playing with toys. Look at the sizes.
I see it.
Get down. Down.
Let me see it. What is it, B?
What you building?
I'm building a flying garage. A flying garage.
My garage.
Fly. I can fly for other people.
What you got going on, bro?
Floor.
He said he ain't playing.
Got all these toys all on the floor.
Play that? Play this?
You want me to play with you?
Yeah. Play. Play. Oh, you want me to red, Daddy?
Yeah, I'm red. Let me see.
Daddy, you want me to go get the other one controller? We're acting good now.
He said he acting good now.
Hanging good.
See, y'all got that. Y'all about to have me trip all over your toys.
You gotta watch your step up in here, baby. You know you gotta watch your step.
Y'all, we ain't got much going on. Just waiting for dinner to get through cooking. The boys in their room playing. Oh, now BJ want to clean up his room because I about broke my neck on his toys. Like to just sit in my little peaceful living room, you know.
Yeah. We back with it, y'all.
Y'all, yeah, we back.
I'm gonna let y'all see the
Take it
results.
out.
Go ahead and show them what it's looking like, baby.
We had cooked garlic bread with it too, y'all.
Got a little garlic bread on the side. Open that thing up, baby.
So yeah, y'all. It's the finishing touches. It looks so good.
Oh, baby. Let daddy get a piece
Yes,
of that right
y'all.
now. Let me get the first
You
sample.
want to taste it?
Let's see. Big spoon, little spoon. Which
The
one?
little one. I was cooking with the little one.
Alright, boom. Ooh, that thing.
Try pieces of the edge.
That thing big, so crispy.
How it taste?
Ooh. Ooh.
Tastes good?
Ooh, yeah.
Okay.
Put a foot in this one, boy.
So yeah, y'all, we finna go ahead and do the outro. So once again, y'all go like, comment, subscribe, let us know how we did. And
Hey.
we gonna get back to y'all with more videos.
More videos, so stay tuned.
So we finna enjoy this delicious dinner.
And you gonna go hit that bell. So you can get
Yeah,
the
make sure y'all hit
notification
that notification bell so y'all can be notified when we drop.
when we drop. Cause best believe we gonna drop again and again and again.
So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Go follow at JamieNicole_15 and
Go follow me on IG, Young Fame 904.
and y'all thanks for the love and the support. And we out.
I'm back in this bitch, yeah, I did it again. Hop in the rap, let go for a spin. See pain in my eyes, so you know where I've been. The struggle was real, I won't go back again. I did what I did and I do it again. They steady calling my name once again. Bag out the best, so I gotta go in. If I drop this, they gon' hate me again.